Welcome to Agile Luminary. Let's run through the Kanban sprint board. I'll show you how to navigate your sprints. So when you create a new project, you'll be landed on the Kanban board. You'll see your active stories if you have any yet. If not, you can go up to story or bug and create a single story. You would just use the AI assistant to say a few words about it, and it can create your story for you and fill out all your fields. If you don't like these fields or you want new ones, you can edit your custom fields. You would just add a new custom field. And if you wanted to add a custom field to user story or epic or bug, you would just select that asset type. And then you would have your field name and then the field type. Once you manage your custom fields and you create stories, there's a few more things you can do. So up here, you'll see the sprint menu. So you can complete a sprint if you're ready to finish it. You can change project. You can also change project up here. So any of the projects you've created, you can search for that and switch over, and it'll change your Kanban board. You can also create multiple stories, which I'll show you in a minute. You can create epics. You can edit the columns. So if you want to rename these columns, you can change the name here. You can also add another column if you need more columns. When you're done, you would just say cancel edit columns, and it'll save your configuration. There's also a compact mode, so that removes some of the things on the card, so it's a little easier to view. And then you can go back into expanded mode. You can also create a new sprint from here. So you can set a name, you can set the duration, you can set the dates, and pick a different project and have the sprint goal. So that'll populate your sprints. And then you'll see the sprints up here, and you can switch to next sprint and last sprint, look at your backlog, etc., etc. So the list view is where you're going to plan your sprints. So you have all these accordions that are going to indicate your backlog and each of your different sprints. And there's going to be indicators on them based on your average sprint velocity, how much capacity you have left in each sprint. So this bottom sprint is about half full. So what you can do is drag stories down. You can drag something from your backlog, either drag it and drop it, or also use this drop down to move it to those sprints. You can also clone a story from here. You can filter by text. You can also filter by user. And you can also filter by status. So you can also add a story from here or add a sprint at the bottom. The AI assistant will tell you about some of the work that you have. And you can also say, create a story from here, and it gets it started. Want to create multiple stories at once, you can go to the user story generator, which will help you create a bunch of stories based on documents, based on epics, based on free text or images. So you would just select any of these things. It would populate in the right here. And then when you're ready to generate your stories, you'll see the list of stories. So that's about it for now. We'll have more videos coming out. And if you have any questions or support issues, there's a support tab where there's some FAQs. You can also contact us. We have email address here. You can give feedback, use a contact form, and you can even book an appointment if you want a demo or you have questions or anything like that. So thanks so much. Bye.